In 6.2 on page 168, I'm now going to be dealing with the adjustments. In the book, it's telling us that the information for supplies on hand at the end of the month is $75. I'm going to look at supplies. I had $228. I'm now down to $75. What I have to do is figure out how much I used up. So I'm going to take the $228 here minus the $75 given in the book, and I'm going to get a difference of $153. I'm going to put that $153 in the adjustments credit column because we want supplies to go down. Supplies normally has a debit balance. We want it to get down to 75, so we have to give it a credit. I now need a debit partner for this credit. Down here on line 15, I have supplies expense. So I'm going to debit supplies expense for that same 153, and I'm going to label each of those little letter A so we know that they belong together. The last information given on page 168 about adjustments is the value of prepaid insurance. They're giving us a value of $250. When I look at prepaid insurance here, I had $375. At the end of the month, I'm down to $250. So I'm going to subtract $375 and $250 to find out how much got used up. That difference of $125 is going to go in the credit column because insurance is a debit. We want it to go down, so we have to give it a credit. I'm going to need a debit partner for this credit. So here I have insurance expense. So I'm going to label insurance expense as a debit here, and each will get little letter B's to show that they go together. I'm all done with my adjustment information, so I'm going to continue drawing my line across the adjustments debit and credit columns, and I'm going to add up these two columns. Under the debit side, I get $278, and under the credit side, I get $278. So I'm now going to double rule to show that I'm done.